Have you ever felt like this? You wake up ready to be productive, but by the end of the day, you're buried in messages, small tasks, random errands, and somehow, nothing truly important gets done. You feel exhausted, but unaccomplished. If that sounds like you, relax. It's not that you're lazy or broken. Maybe you just haven't learned how to prioritize the right way. That's where the Eisenhower Matrix comes in. A simple but powerful tool to help you decide what to focus on and what to let go. This method is named after Dwight D. Eisenhower, the 34th President of the United States, and before that, a 5-star general during World War II. The guy literally made life or death decisions every day, yet was known for being extremely organized and efficient. His secret? He made a clear distinction between two things people often confuse: urgent and important. And from that idea, the Eisenhower Matrix was born. A method now used by CEOs, students, freelancers, and creators around the world. The Eisenhower Matrix breaks down your tasks into 4 quadrants, based on just 2 questions. Is this task important? Is it urgent? Let's break them down. Quadrant 1, important and urgent. These are the tasks you need to do immediately. Usually, they're things you delayed too long, or sudden emergencies. Examples: a deadline due tonight, an exam tomorrow, a broken laptop that needs fixing before work. In this quadrant, your only job is to take action now, no distractions. Quadrant 2, important but not urgent. This is the golden zone. Tasks here are not urgent, but they have a huge impact on your future. Examples: studying a little each day, working out regularly, building a side project, journaling, learning, or even resting well. Highly successful people spend most of their time here. But sadly, we often ignore these tasks because they don't scream for attention. Your job here is to schedule them consistently. Treat them as non-negotiable. Quadrant 3, not important but urgent. This is the trap quadrant. These tasks feel urgent but aren't truly important, often pushed onto you by others. Examples: random notifications, group chat distractions, requests that could have waited. Learn to delegate or politely say later. Protect your time. Quadrant 4, not important and not urgent. And finally, the time wasters. These tasks have no urgency, no importance, but they steal your time when you're bored or stressed. Examples: mindless scrolling, watching random YouTube videos for hours, online shopping, just browsing. Rest is good, but this quadrant needs boundaries. Don't let your day get swallowed here. So now, grab a piece of paper or open your notes app. Write down all your current tasks. Then, place each one into the appropriate quadrant. Which quadrant is the fullest? Are you always stuck in quadrant 1, constantly putting out fires? Or are you hiding in quadrant 4, avoiding the things that matter? This one exercise can reveal the patterns in your day and help you regain control. Remember, being busy doesn't mean you're being productive, but when you know what's truly important, you can move with clarity, confidence, and calm. It's not about doing everything. It's about doing the right things at the right time. Let the Eisenhower Matrix guide your decisions. And from today on, don't let urgency control your life. Choose what matters. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, or share it with someone who needs it. Let me know what you want to see in my next video by commenting down below. Thank you, and see you later.